Mexico, a land painted in vibrant hues, echoing with the rhythm of life. From the bustling heart of Mexico City to the tranquil shores of Oaxaca, the spirit of this nation thrums with an undeniable energy. But what is it that makes Mexico so special? What lies beneath the surface, captivating hearts and inspiring souls? The answer is simple. Its people. The soul of Mexico resides in the warmth of its people, their unwavering resilience, and their profound capacity for love and laughter. They navigate life's complexities with a unique blend of strength and grace, facing challenges head-on while embracing the beauty that surrounds them. The Mexican spirit is forged in fire, tempered by a history marked by both triumphs and trials. From the ashes of ancient civilizations to the throes of revolution, the people of Mexico have repeatedly risen, their spirits unbroken. Through earthquakes and economic hardships, they have stood firm, their resolve unshaken. The spirit of El Grito, the cry for independence that ignited a nation, continues to echo through generations, a testament to their enduring strength. Each challenge, each obstacle overcome, serves only to deepen their well of resilience, reminding the world that the Mexican spirit cannot be broken. Life in Mexico is a vibrant tapestry, woven with threads of joy and sorrow, celebration and struggle. Yet, even amidst adversity, the Mexican people possess an uncanny ability to find humor and light. It's in the warmth of their smiles, the rhythm of their music, and the comforting aroma of tortillas fresh off the comal. Their humor, often tinged with irony and wit, serves as a coping mechanism, a way to confront challenges head-on without surrendering to despair. Memes, those digital snippets of shared laughter, highlight their ability to find amusement even in the face of adversity. It is a testament to their spirit, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the flame of hope continues to flicker. Mexico's story is still being written, and each day presents a new opportunity to create a brighter future. It's a future where the warmth of their spirit continues to shine, a beacon of hope illuminating not just Mexico, but the world. The true essence of Mexico lies not in its geographical borders, but in the hearts of its people. It's a reminder that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the strength of our spirits, the depth of our compassion, and the unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow. Let their story inspire us all to embrace life with open arms, to find joy in the midst of struggle, and to face the future with courage and hope. For within each of us lies the potential for such resilience, the capacity to overcome obstacles and emerge stronger, more vibrant than before. What is it that fills you with pride for your country? What dreams do you hold for its future? The answers to these questions hold the power to shape not just your own destiny, but the destiny of a nation. Let us together weave a future as vibrant and resilient as the spirit of Mexico itself.